Hello guys, today I will teach you how to create a GIF on Photoshop. Alright, first we have our layers. So this would be one layer and this would be another layer. So what I'm going to do is if you have one of these layers and you want like a duplicate of it, you press Ctrl J on your keyboard and that will create you two of the same layer. See, so that's the first one and that's the second one. Okay, we don't need this one because I've already got everything there. So what we're going to do is go to Window and Timeline. That'll bring up the timeline. It might look a bit like this with one image already there, or it might be empty where you have nothing showing. But what you got to do is click this panel here and click Make Frame from Layers. That will turn all your layers on the side here into a frame. So as you can see here, these are all the frames I've got in my different layers. You can change the time over here. So if I want it to play for a second, so that's a second and then goes, and then it's a second and then goes again. So I could do that, but I'm going to keep it no delay for now. Another feature you can also do is you can reverse frame, so that will make it go the opposite direction. So that means it will start with this one instead of this one. Alright, I'm gonna reverse it again. When people load the GIF, it will be in a loading state. So I actually want this frame to be what people see when they load the GIF, not this one. I don't want them to see that. So what I'm gonna do is hold here and drag all the way to the back. I'm just gonna keep doing that. If I want to keep the same order, I'm just going to keep doing that until I have the one I want as my starting point, which is this one. So now when people are loading, they see this one, and once it's loaded, it will start just cycling through these. You can also change how long it goes, so if you want to run 3 times. So I'm going to save it as forever. So to save it, you need to go to File, then you need to find Export. Then we want Save for Web Legacy. Alt Shift Control S if you want to be fancy. And then it's already set up as a GIF. And then you press Save.